이거는
Ooh, eyes I can see you keeping me wavy.
Okay, so I did start off my morning very slow, but I'm gonna try and fix 2 of these light bulbs here. I think I've been pushing it off for a while, but it's just not working. And for some reason, I can't find the previous order to figure out what light bulbs they are because they're very special. I'm gonna try to fix it. I think I fixed it. Hold on, let's see. Yay! It was just a little loose. Oh my God. So I'm not that hungry. I think it's just the weather, and you know what, I ate so much yesterday, so I don't think I'm really that hungry. This was gifted by CN. They sent us all these great flavors like matcha oat latte in a strong and mild flavor, and also some vegan ones. And it's really simple because all you need to do is add water. But I do really like this essential kit that gives you everything, including the frother. It looks so pretty, and I've never frothed matcha before. So I'm really excited that they sent us all these cool gadgets to make it. So, oh, my mom's calling. Mama? So I've never made a matcha latte before because matcha isn't really my go-to drink, but I'm gonna give it a try. I'm probably not making this right, guys, so don't judge me. I feel like I should warm up milk. All of this can be found on Amazon, so we'll link the products down below in our description box, so make sure to check that out. And also make sure to check out our shorts that I made on the banana matcha latte because it was so good. I think it kind of worked. We have our matcha latte. Grabbing some blackberry and matcha. But you know, all he wanted was some scrambled eggs, so that's what he's eating. Kind of fell asleep watching the game. Can you tell? Ugh. My parents and Grace and Kevin and Ella and Essie, wow, that's a lot. They're all coming over for dinner because I invited them, but I am not wanting to leave my house. So using leftovers, I am going to make some curry. And I have here a lot of onions. One of the ways I make curry is by caramelizing the onions. It just makes the whole dish a little bit more rich and sweet. Family's taking too long, so we're just gonna eat.
아니 귀여워. 아 귀여워.
She's staring at my mom like, what's wrong with her?
이거는
Good morning, everyone. I'm about to do my nails right now while I watch TV. I'm watching Under the Queen's Umbrella. It's right up my alley because I love olden day things. is snowing. Get all this water in the reservoir. All right, it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna try something that I saw on TikTok, and we're gonna combine the Trader Joe's tteokbokki. This is vegan. I've seen really good reviews on it actually, so I was curious to combine it with carbonara buldak. So we're gonna join these two and see how it is. I'm not that hungry, and this is 3 servings, but Chino said just make it all, so we're gonna make it all. That looks so bomb. Let's give this a try. Ooh, it looks so good, doesn't it, guys? So we have some buldak. You guys, it is a must try. It is so good. Thank you. Wow. It actually looks really good. So now we're gonna go get some groceries. So let's head out. I am back. Do you guys see the lines on my forehead? It's from my hat. So this is whoa. Let's start making this. So we're gonna need dates, walnuts, peanut butter, and some chocolate. We're gonna melt it and dip it in there. So cut the dates in half and take out the pit. And I'm also taking out the ends of this because I don't think it's edible. And then we're gonna put a walnut inside the date along with some peanut butter. Now I'm gonna melt some chocolate. So we're gonna put it into the microwave in 15-second increments and make sure it's fully melted. It's not melting too well, so I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to soften it. I'm gonna get a toothpick so I can dip it. So we're gonna dip this into here. We have this. We can go stick this in the fridge for about 30 minutes or freezer for about 15.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! We are done. Let's give this a try. Oh. Chino's over here. I get the Snickers part, but I don't think it tastes like Snickers. It's still really good though. It's like a healthier snack.
What do you rate it?
8. What do you rate it?
6.
Why?
Because it was advertised as Snickers.
Oh, okay, but just like the taste of it though.
7.5.
God, he's a harsh critic.
So if you